Hello, hello, hello sa lahat ng Earth Signs. Magandang araw. Welcome back. At sa mga bago, welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mimismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love, love, love sa inyong Tagalog love, love, love reading ngayon na mismo. So, ang gagawin natin today ay Pac-Man or pick a card and manifest. Okay, and this reading is for all earth signs na naghahanap ng new love. Okay? So, kung kayo ay earth signs na meron ng love life and happy sa inyong love life, okay? Skip nyo na tong video nito. Pero kung gusto nyo ng entertainment at gusto nyo sumubaybay, walang problema. You're always welcome. Of course. Diba? So, gusto ko magpasalamat din sa lahat ng earth signs na sumusuporta sa aking channel. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so ang gagawin ko is, after kong balasahin to, bubunot ako ng tatlong cards. So, card 1, 2, and 3. Okay? And, from there, pili kayo kung ano yung card yung pinaka nagre-resonate sa inyo. Okay? Sige, simulan na natin. Card 1, card 2, card 3. So, again, card 1, card 2, card 3. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 1 minuto na damahin ninyo yung tatlong cards na to. And kung ano yung pinaka nag-resonate, piliin nyo siya. And by the end of 1 minute, isigaw nyo lang or say it out loud ano yung card na napili ninyo. 1, 2, or 3. Tapos babasahin natin siya bawat isa. Okay? Sige. Ayan. Habang pumipili kayo, muli gusto kong magpasalamat sa suporta na binibigay nyo sa akin at sa channel ko. So, thank you. Sobrang na-appreciate ko po. And sa mga bago, sana supportahan nyo yung aking channel. Okay? Subscribe na po kayo. Like this video, share nyo na sa iba, at comment na sa baba. Para mag-grow naman din yung channel ko at makagawa pa ako ng maraming love readings para sa inyo. Okay? Ayun. So, nakapili na ba ang lahat? Okay? Pili na. Card 1, 2, 3. Okay, sige. Ready? Alright. So, itabi ko muna yung card 3. Saka card 2. Tingnan natin. Let's reveal. Ano ba? Si card 1. Sa mga nakapili ng first card. Faith. Uy. Have faith. Okay, manalig, maniwala lang na darating ang new love. That's nice. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba yung storya na nakakabit sa faith card na ito? Okay. So, bubunot ako ng 8 cards from the tarot deck. Okay. Tapos, interpret natin siya. So, for cards 1, 2, and 3, ganyan yung gagawin ko. Again, please support my channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, sige. Okay. So, King of Cups, Queen of Swords, Queen of Wands, Knight of Cups, 3 of Wands, 2 of Pentacles, the Lovers, wow, and 8 of Cups. Okay, so lumabas si the Lovers. So, have faith that this will be beautiful love. Sige. So, there's a strong energy of Gemini in this reading. So, pwede yung zodiac sign ng person niyo, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap ng reading na ito. So, pwedeng other signs pa rin. Okay, sige. Let's interpret. Have faith. And nagsimula siya sa King of Cups, nag-end sa 8 of Cups. Okay, itong new love na darating sa inyo ay punong-puno ng security, emotional stability, and loyalty. O, diba? Napakaganda. Okay, so itong person na to is someone na alam niya yung gusto niya when it comes to love. Very secure siya, okay? And yung pag dumating siya sa buhay mo, hindi mo na kailangan mag-isip pa na ay nako baka lokohan lang ako nito. Hindi. Kasi this person is someone na very loyal siya sa taong mamahalin niya. Okay? And as shown here by the Queen of Swords, tas kakabit pa niya si Queen of Wands. So, very nurturing yung love na ibibigay niya sa inyo. Okay? So, this person medyo mataas yung EQ ng tao na to. It means na kaya niyang yung ma-feel niya kunwari na okay, this person is parang ikaw, alam niya yung mga gusto mo, hindi mo na din kailangan laging ine-express or sinasabi, ma-feel niya na ay malungkot ka, ay masaya ka, or happy ka, or excited ka, or kinikilig ka. Okay? Parang hindi mo na kailangan din naman na itago yung feelings mo siya kasi mapaperceive din niya yon. Saka itong tao na to very clear siya when it comes to communicating. Okay? So, any issues, any conflict, gusto niya pag-usapan at mapapag-usapan niyo to ng maayos kasi itong person na to is magaling siya when it comes to expressing yung nararamdaman niya, nasa isip niya into words. Something na hindi lahat capable na gawin. Kasi yung iba, di ba, pag nagsalita, parang, wala, ang sakit mo naman magsalita. Alam mo yun, yung ibang tao, wala kasing mababa yung EQ. Pero ito hindi, mataas yung EQ niya. Kaya nga, masasabi niya ito ng tama, ng maayos na mapapaisip ka rin. Yung, alam mong ikaw din, mapapa-reflect, hindi ka masasaktan kasi valid and well-explained yung mga i-express niya towards you. And ito, as shown here also by the Queen of Wands, na yun nga, dahil secure tong tao na to, shown by the King of Cups, itong person na to, hindi niya kailangan na ng validation from anyone. Alam niya kung ano yung mga qualities niya, kaya niyang ibigay sa relationship. At dahil very secure nga siya, meron siyang self-assurance. Okay? And makikita mo din talaga to na based sa kanyang behavior, how he acts, how he talks, how he express, or she pala, sorry, how he or she talks and acts and expresses love, diba? And then dito sa Knight of Cups is there's so much affection. Yung whatever intention nitong tao na to towards you, talagang sasabihin niya, wala nang paligoy-ligoy para, diba? Pero sasabihin niya ito ng maayos, and this person will want to level up the relationship. Okay? So, and as shown here by the Three of Wands, okay? Three of Wands is also a card of romance. Okay, there's so much adventure, magpaplanuhin ninyo yung hinaharap yung dalawa, okay? And meron nga lang parang, teka nga, tignan ko muna, let's wait and see, parang gano'n, na energy from you na, tingnan nga natin kung totoo nga itong intention na pinapakita niya. Okay? Pero, kasi dito lumabas si Two of Pentacles which is, parang, gusto mong mag-balance. Parang may choices kang gagawin pagdating dito. Parang alam mo yun, yung tingnan nga natin, let's wait and see, baka biglang hindi pala okay yung intention niya, o di ba? Parang gano'n, parang mag-start kang hindi sa doubt. Okay? Pero gusto mo lang talagang ma-confirm. Ayun, ma-confirm yun na yun nga intention niya. Pero, as shown here, the lover's card confirmed, mahal ka ng tao na to. So, hindi mo na kailangan magdalawang isip pa. Okay? Okay? And you have to let go of the idea. Oops, sorry, umalog. Okay? O, umalog siya. Yan, alog-alog, shake it off. Shake that idea na hindi ka mahal or hindi totoo yung intention ng tao na to sa'yo. Kasi sincere siya, honest siya sa intention niya, mahal ka niya, and it's time to let go of that idea na baka hindi sincere or hindi totoo yung intention ng tao na to, as shown here by the Eight of Cups. Okay? Alright, so have faith. Yun nga, diba? Manalig ka, maniwala ka na mahal ka ng tao na to at totoo yung intention niya sa'yo. Okay? Kasi pag wala kang faith, wala. Ikaw din yung biglang magdedesisyon na, ay, huwag na lang, diba? Pero manalig ka, maniwala ka. Okay? Na itong tao na to is someone that will express love na hinahanap mo dahil mahal ka niya. Okay, that's the new love. Claim this energy. Okay, comment na below kung nag-resonate to. So, that's the reading for the first card. Sige. Now, let's move on to card number 2. Tabi muna natin siya. So, card number 2. And si card number 3. Nakaabang. Okay, so card number 2. Tingnan natin. Let's reveal. Aspiration. Okay. So, itong love na to, itong person na to is someone na, parang sort of minamanifest nyo na rin na matagal na. Someone that you aspire. Diba? Okay, sige. Tingnan natin bakit lumabas ang aspiration but ito yung card for the second spread. Okay? So, habang binabalasa ko, muli, salamat sa lahat ng earth signs na sumusuporta. Sa lahat ng Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Sana yung mga iba pa na nanonood ngayon, supportahan nyo po ang aking channel para mag-grow siya. Please like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe na po. Para updated din kayo, diba, sa mga susunod ko pang love reading. Diba? Okay, sige, tingnan natin. So, bunot ako ng 3 cards. The Fool. Okay, new beginning. Sakto, this is something that you really aspire. High Priestess, Page of Pentacles, 9 of Swords, 6 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, 8 of Cups, and Strength card. Okay, very positive naman. Positive siya. So, lalo nag-search sa The Fool, diba? And it's a card of, yung overall energy pa is a card of aspiration. Okay? Meaning, diba, something na parang in a way yun nga, minamanifest nyo something na you strongly desire. Ayan. So, and darating tong person na to that you strongly desire, diba? So, first keep manifesting. Okay? Okay, so nagsimula siya sa The Fool, nag-end siya sa Strength card. Okay? So, 2 major arcanas. There's a strong energy of Aries, Aquarius, and Leo. Saka Cancer din pala. So, Aries, Aquarius, Cancer, Leo. So, pwede yun yung signs ng new love coming. But doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na ito. Okay. So, this person is coming to your life uh, ngayon na you want a new beginning. Pwedeng kakatapos mo lang sa isang relationship and you're ready to start all over again and gusto mo ng panibagong simula. Okay, pagdating sa love life mo. Okay, so this new love coming is really coming. May bagong beginning sa inyong love life. Kaya claim nyo na. Okay, you're shown here by the Fool. Alright. And pinakita din dito sa High Priestess that this person is may pagka-mysterious siya pagdating niya sa life mo. So ikaw, maka-curious ka din sa kanya. And pero medyo may gagamitin mo naman din yung intuition mo sa pagkilala dito sa tao na ito. Pero ayun, may energy lang siya na pagka misteryoso or misteryosa. Okay? Yan. So darating siya sa life mo and this will ignite something new when it comes to love. Ignite? Ignite talaga. Okay. So, okay, si Page of Pentacles, this person is a very loyal person. Siya yung tao na gugustuhin na magkaroon ng long-term relationship with you. Okay? And medyo ano ka lang, siguro magiging cautious ka lang, magiging guarded ka lang. Kasi nga, what I can sense here is galing ka nga from a past relationship and though ready ka na, nag-heal ka na, and you want a new beginning, darating tong bagong person, that this person will express love, new love, towards you, kaso maging guarded ka lang because of the past. Pero, eventually, everything will be alright. Kasi, as shown here by the Six of Pentacles, you will reciprocate naman. So, magkakaroon na reciprocation between the two of you. So, mag-express siya ng intentions niya, ng love niya sa'yo, and you will reciprocate naman. You will accept, entertain mo din naman siya. Okay? You will allow this person na i-pursue ka. Diba? And this is also supported by the Two of Wands. It's just a desire. Gugustuhin nyo din naman na mag-level up yung relationship ninyo. Okay? And there's a decision na kailangang mangyari. Okay? And I think yung decision na yon is nasa sayo is to let go. It's time for you to let go. Meron ka parang pinag-isipan pa, di ba? Parang nagde-decide ka ba, push mo ba or hindi. Pero it shows here na it's time to let go. It's time to let go. And nakikita din naman dito sa Strength card that letting go is hard. Lalo na if, di ba, parang kagagaling mo lang sa relationship. Kahit sabihin mo na okay ka na, nag-heal ka na, ready ka na, di ba? You have to reflect. Upuan mo talaga siya. Ready na nga ba ako? And I guess ready ka naman na talaga. So, time na yung mga bagay na kailangang i-let go mo na para ma-welcome mo tong new love. Okay? And it requires courage. Okay, as shown here by the Strength card. It requires courage to let go of things na kailangan mo nang i-let go. Okay? And be strong. Kaya mo yan, di ba? May new love coming. Di ba? Na mag-express naman sa'yo ng love and very loyal tong person na ito. So, i-let go mo na yung mga bagay. Kasi, this is something that, alam mo sa puso at isip mo, you're aspiring or you're desiring for this new love. Okay? So, that's the reading for the second card. Okay? So, i-claim nyo na sa mga pumili ng second card, Aspiration. Okay, claim this energy, comment na sa baba. So, that is your reading. Okay. So, let's proceed now sa third card. So, tabihin muna natin to. So, third card. Okay, let's see. Let's reveal. Ano nga ba ang third card? Tranquility. Okay, so there will be so much peace. Alam mo yun, yung tranquility kasi it's like serenity, is like peace. So, alam mo yun, walang sakit ng ulo, very calm lang, very peaceful. So, I think that's the new love coming into your life. Pero tignan natin ano yung detalye ng tranquility card na ito. At sa lahat ng mga pumili, kung nag-resonate sa inyo, tignan natin, alamin natin. At habang binabalasa ko to, maraming salamat muli sa mga bago. Supportahan nyo na po itong channel ko by subscribing and by liking this video and sharing it to your family and friends para makapag-Pac-Man din sila. Okay, sige. So, bunot ako ng 8 cards. 3 of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Death card, 10 of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, 6 of Swords, Queen of Cups, and 3 of Cups. Okay. Pentacles and Cups. Marami. Okay. So, nagsimula sa 3 of Pentacles, nag-end sa 3 of Cups, 3 of Pentacles, 3 of Cups, 3-3. So, baka pwedeng significant itong number na ito sa inyo. Or, yeah, pwedeng March this year kayo mag-meet. Anyway, this new love is, ayan, there's a strong energy of Scorpio. Okay? Pwedeng yun yung sign ng person ninyo na darating, but doesn't have to. Yun lang yung strong energy na nasasagap sa reading na to. Okay, sige, let's interpret. So this person coming into your life is a person that wants to support you in so many ways. Okay? So, supportahan ka niya para mag-grow ka as a person. And ito yung tao din na darating sa life mo na gusto niyang planuhin lahat moving forward. So, hindi rin siya yung tipo na bahala na basta-basta or very impulsive. Hindi. Gusto rin niyang planuhin yung mga bagay-bagay pagdating sa love, pagdating sa commitment. Okay? And I believe din naman na yun din yung gusto mong mangyari. Ayaw mo ng padalos-dalos, ayaw mo ng basta-basta, and this is the person na hindi ganun. Okay? Napasok dun sa kagustuhan mo na hindi basta-basta, hindi impulsive. Okay? And then, King of Pentacles, okay, there's so much abundance. Very sure siya na kaya niyang ibigay yung mga bagay na need mo, not just physically, financially, and not just physically and financially, but also emotionally. Okay? Nandyan siya para sa'yo. And very faithful tong tao na to. Okay? And whatever, dito, yung Death card is letting go of whatever is causing chaos in your heart and in your mind. Okay? Kasi pag dumating tong person na to, there will be a lot of transformation. Okay? Okay? And there will be a shift from this current situation to a new situation. Ano ba yung new situation na yun? Okay? So, itong death card na to, hindi siya, what I see here is nothing negative. It's actually positive, from shifting to something not so good to something better, or something ordinary to something extraordinary. So there's a shift, there's a transformation, and you have to embrace that change. Kasi pag dumating tong tao na to sa buhay mo, magbabago din yung buhay mo. Okay? And then you have to accept that na mag-iiba na rin yung buhay mo kasi nandyan na siya. Okay? So, yung parang death dito is letting go of your old self, being single, kasi nga, pag dumating tong person na to, partnership na yan eh. Diba? Relationship na yan. And as shown here by the Ten of Pentacles, it's a card of settling down. Okay? A card of stability. Very stable tong new love na darating sa inyo. And ito yung love na parang, gusto ko na mag-settle down. Not naman agad-agad na magpapakasal. Pero alam mo yun na parang, dito na ako. Dito na ako kailangan maghanap ng iba pa. Okay? And as shown here by the Knight of Cups then, that this person is very affectionate to eh. Kayang-kaya express yung nararamdaman niya sa inyo. And gusto din ng tao na mag-level up kayo sa relationship. Okay? And gusto niya din talaga na i-let go muna yung mga bagay na kailangan mo i-let go na related sa past mo. Okay? Something na hindi nagbibigay sa'yo ng peace of mind. Okay? Kasi itong person na to will give you a peace of mind. So as shown here by the Six of Swords, okay? It's time to heal, move on, and surrender. Accept mo na and just trust the process. Okay? Because this person is very loving. Okay? Shown here by the Queen of Cups. May emotional maturity itong tao na to. Empathetic siya and very devoted sa inyo. Okay? Kaya, push mo na. Kasi this person will really give you peace. Yung peace of mind na hinahanap mo, yung tranquility na hinahanap mo, ibibigay ng tao na to sa'yo. Okay? Dahil kasi, this person really wants to share happy moments with you. Shown here by the Three of Cups. At susuportahan ka niya talaga sa lahat ng bagay. Okay? So, si Three of Cups and the Three of Coins or Three of Pentacles, okay, is similar yung energy. Diba? It's a card of collaboration in supporting each other. Diba? So, yung whatever's in between, may support eh. So, supportahan nyo yung isa't isa. And it's something, diba? Pag may supporta yung taong nagmamahal sa'yo, very peaceful. Diba? Wala ka na masyadong iniisip. Very calm lang. Diba? Hindi chaotic yung relationship. Okay. So, sana nag-resonate to. So, claim the energy, tranquility, comment nyo na below itong energy ng card na to. Okay. So, yun. So, salamat sa lahat ng sumubaybay ang nandito. So, ito yung tatlong cards. Tranquility, Aspiration, and Faith. Okay? Ayan. So, thank you. Abangan nyo na lang muli yung mga susunod ko pa ang love reading. Kaya subscribe na. Okay? And kita-kits. Ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno. Kita-kits sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel mismo. Ingat!